Hi teachers, it's Matthew from Griffin Education Enterprises, and in this follow-up video to Great GIFs, I'm going to show you another way to make a GIF with PowerPoint and a GIF creating website. Thanks to all of those TPT authors who provided feedback regarding my last video about this. Your feedback definitely spurred me into action. With that said, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to want to open up PowerPoint and have the 3 slides for your GIF. Personally, I like to have a welcome slide. Please click on my star and follow us on social media. So what you then want to do is this. You want to go to File, Save As, click on the drop down box over here and save all of these as a PNG file. Click on Save. We want to click on All Slides. Okay, and that's in the file that we want. Now what we want to do is we want to go to a website called EZGIF.com. So this is a brilliant website. I came across this during one of my digital technologies lessons. So here is how we go about creating our GIF using this. So we click on GIF Maker. We go to choose our files. Once we open up the location of our PNG files, we will want to sort of highlight all of these and press open. Now once that's done that, we want to make sure we then go and press upload and make a GIF. This can take a little bit of time, so give it about 10 seconds and then it should be finished. Okay, now we've got our frames have just appeared. Fantastic. Now we want to actually change the delay option down here. So what I'm thinking of doing is changing the delay timer to maybe 400. So let's change that to 400 to give us 4 seconds in total. So let's make the GIF and see if that works properly. So give it a bit of time to upload. Yep, I'm happy with that. That looks great. So just simply click on Save. That downloads. Remember that always goes to your downloads file. What we then want to do is go to the drop down box, click on My Account, click on Store Profile. Scroll down from Store Profile, go to Edit. Click on Choose File, and then all we need to do is upload the file. Once that's done, we go and click Save. And if we go back to my store, so as you can see, the GIF uploaded fine. It's just got those 3 frames down from the other ones that I previously had. So now you have another way that you can create a GIF in PowerPoint and also how you can upload those pictures to a GIF creating website. I would love to know how you went in the comments, so leave a comment down. It always helps my channel out. If you're on the hunt for more educational resources like iPad apps, websites, YouTube videos and channels, then make sure you head over to my website, Griffin Education Enterprises. You can also head over to my TPT store for more free content. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Griffin Education Enterprises. I've got a few more videos coming out and make sure you go check out my other ones. I'm Matthew. Thanks for watching. Ciao.